How to use Uniswap DEX for beginners. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use Uniswap DEX for beginners. So for that, go to your Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and then search for custodial app like MetaMask or Coinbase. Then download it to your device. Once you download it, open it and create your wallet. Once you create it, open your app to fund your wallet. Once you fund your wallet, you can buy tokens directly in your wallet using a card or transfer them from a centralized exchange. Now, connect to Uniswap. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then download Uniswap mobile app. Download it to your device and create your account. And then log in using your existing wallet credentials or import your wallet. Now, select your networks and then choose your tokens. Then enter the amount you want to trade. And then tap the swap button to review the details, then confirm the transaction in your connected wallet app. Wait for a few moments for the blockchain to process the transaction. Once confirmed, your new tokens will appear in your wallet balance. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.